Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left front roller assembly on your refrigerator, first use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the base grill. Pull the base grill forward to remove. Lift and support the left side of the appliance. Use a 3/8" socket to unthread the 3 screws, securing the roller and leveling leg bracket to the refrigerator frame. Install the new front roller assembly by aligning it on the frame. Then thread and tighten the 3 screws. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Rotate the leveling leg clockwise to ensure that the brake foot is in contact with the floor. Snap the base grill into place. Rethread the screws to secure the base grill.